Well, good afternoon. Got a couple things I'm gonna put on the scooter here. I got a rack that goes right on top of here. It's actually pretty nice. Since I'm not gonna be putting the pylon, I'm gonna actually leave the Mustang bib on there. Put the rack on top of it. It actually looks pretty good. It's a mother well. It's not a Harley one. It's a mother well. I also got the seat, not the seat, the bag brackets. We're gonna put those on. Here's the rack. It actually looks pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. This just goes right so. Right here, I guess. Let's see here. There we go. Is to undo these two thumb screws and this screw right here. It should fit right in. It is for this style bike, so it is going to work okay. Put that on right quick. And these here, these are the what do you call these? The bag protectors, I guess. And here's the hardware for it. I might end up, I'm gonna not end up, I'm gonna actually get the anodized ones or colored, black colored ones. These are actually pretty good. They're also an off-brand, but they're just as good as the OEM ones and a lot less. And you can see the powder coating on these is actually identical, so there's nothing's gonna be not the right color. The engine guard is Harley. You could see it's the same color as well. So, but this is gonna be good. I've been wanting to get those just to protect those bags, just in case, you know, something hits it or accidentally the bike falls, which I hope never happens, if I could help it. But anyway, let's put these on. Let's see what I'm gonna need to put them on, and we'll go from there. Okay, this here has Loctite on it. This one here does not. That one is very hard to come out. You could see where the Loctite is. So I had to maneuver it out of there, but it came out. The new set, since I'm not going to use the foot pegs, the passenger foot pegs, I'm going to take them off. I'm actually leaving them off. And the new kit comes with longer bolts, so gives you enough material there to go through this here. Since we're not putting these back on, we're going to use these right here, and they have a couple nice washers here. I am going to put a bunch of Loctite on these two screws here, and then there should be a smaller one right here. Those two, they're actually nicer bolts than what come from the factory. So these are Allen heads, the other ones are like Torx bits, whatever they call them. But get some Loctite and we'll put these on. These actually will fit pretty good. You'll see them right now. That's a Torx, and the new screw is actually it's a much nicer screw. I'm going to use that. My trusty Loctite right here. Oh, wrong one. Let me go get the other one. That's the one for the other side. Actually, these won't work. Okay, the bolts need to be switched around. I did have to use the Torx, and this one right here, actually was the longer one, so I had to use that one. Anyway, that's on there. I'm going to tighten this one up, and then we'll get on to the other side. Okay, making sure all of these fit okay. So now what I'm going to do, took the screw out again so I could put some more Loctite on this one here. And we should be fine. Okay, there we go. Okay, here's the fun part. Okay, it is the correct size. It's a T45. Okay, that's on there. Let's torque this one down a little more. Let me take the extension off. All right. That's on there tight. It actually looks pretty good. It is going to protect the bags. So I'm not going to bore you with this whole long video taking the other one off. Like I said, this one is pretty hard. It's on there very good, very snug. So that probably give you some issues there if they haven't been removed. But that's how it looks. Let me get the other side on, and then we'll show you what it looks like all together. There it is. Put it in my pocket. Okay, these, I'm gonna slide them under. There we go. Slide it under there. Oh, that looks pretty good. I think so. Okay, we put my screws back on. You know what, I don't know, maybe a I guess I'll do that. We'll see what happens. I'll put it on top of the actual seat, otherwise it would have made the seat tilt a little forward. Let's put this baby back on. Alright, there we go. It comes with another screw, but I didn't like it. Just gonna put this one back on here and tighten it up really good. And you could always take the rack off. Actually, that's pretty good. Yeah, it's on there all right. Fits good. I think it looks good. The bars are on there. I went ahead and retorqued these two screws right here. Those bars are not going anywhere. And that's what it looks like on both sides. Here's the rack. And there's the scooter. So looks like it's gonna rain tonight, so definitely gonna put it inside my shed out there. Clouds are gathering up. That's a pretty dark one right there. Anyway, we'll get to riding hopefully next couple days or so, and have fun and enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you watching it. And leave me a comment, see what you think of my scooter. I did have the Vance & Hines put on a couple months ago. It was tuned. I used the Screaming Eagle tuner. So basically, I guess they said it was a stage 1. That's all the engine mods I'm going to do to it. I'm not really going to go crazy on it. The bike is perfect. It rides good. It's got a lot of power, a lot of torque. Those mufflers actually, they really work good. I'm surprised they're as good as they were. But I got rid of the Samsons, so decided to put these on. Anyway, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your week. It's Thursday afternoon. No, not Thursday, it's Wednesday afternoon. So got home and I got those parts in. I said, you know what, I'll just install them. Didn't take too much. Not a lot of tools needed. Just number 45 Torx and a 7/32 Allen head. I had a socket and a T handle. The bottom one, like I said, that's really tight. I actually went ahead and torqued it again. Used a more Loctite. I guess that holds. Well, all it holds was the were these right here, but they were on there pretty good. The top bolt holds the fender braces. There is no force or of the shocks or anything on it. So, wow, I'm looking at it from here, and that rack really looks pretty good. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Have a good rest of the week. Be safe, ride safe, and we'll see you out there.